AI full-stack developers build web applications with AI as their coding partner, combining front-end, backend, and AI tools to code faster, debug smarter, and optimize their workflow throughout the development process. Wawiwa's AI full-stack developer program gives you the skills and tools to become a job-ready AI full-stack developer in just 9 months, even without any previous tech background. We combine instructor-led training, hands-on practice, and AI assistance to teach you coding in the most effective way. During the program, you'll learn full-stack development from scratch, building apps with AI, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Node.js, and databases, practicing coding, debugging, and deployment. You'll develop proficiency in AI software development workflows, applying prompt engineering with tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and more to write, review, and secure code efficiently. Our proprietary jet design methodology is rooted in real industry requirements and continuous feedback from employers. It combines cutting-edge content, frontal lectures, and hands-on practice, ensuring your training is both engaging and truly job-effective. AI full-stack developers need to know more than writing code. We'll also teach you the essential soft skills needed on the job, such as communication, collaboration, and adaptability. Our program features bring-it-together projects where you'll apply everything you've learned in a real-life, hands-on project. You'll plan, design, develop, and test a full-stack web app. With this app in your work portfolio, you'll be able to showcase to employers that you're job-ready. At Wawiwa, we're committed to provide training that results in employability, and it works. Over 70% of our graduates land a tech job within 2 months of completing their program. So, if you're looking for an exciting tech career, take the fast track to tech and join our AI full-stack developer program.